Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into spatter. 9 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Soil. Which means make dirty. Soil. For example, he might soil his expensive suit. Number 2. Fleck. Which means mark or dot with small patches of color or particles of something. Fleck. For example, the minarets are flecked with gold leaf. Number 3. Bespatter. Which means splash drops of a liquid substance all over an object. Bespatter. For example, his shoes and trousers were bespattered with mud. Number 4. Splash. Which means cause liquid to strike or fall on something in irregular drops. Splash. For example, his boots were splashed with mud. Number 5. Sprinkle. Which means scatter or pour small drops or particles of a substance over an object or surface. Sprinkle. For example, sprinkle sesame seeds over the top. Number 6. Dirty. Which means make dirty. Dirty. For example, she didn't like him dirtying her nice clean towels. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.